Otherwise, oh fuck. All right, it is time. Where'd my phone go? Fuck. Hold on. Gotta put it in my fucking vest pocket here. It's time to head home. The rain's coming in a little bit faster than I thought, so we're gonna be chasing it, or it's chasing us. Nice try, rain. You know, when people talk shit about Groms, oh, it's not a real bike. Bitch. Shut the fuck up. It's just small. It's a real bike. The criteria for a real bike is that it has a sequential gearbox, manual sequential gearbox. It has front brake and rear brake. It's got 2 wheels. And it requires a motorcycle endorsement on your license to ride. You know, it's street legal. You need registration, insurance, plate. Right? And that's everything that this got. One guy in my comments was like, well, you know what your problem is that you still ride a Grom. Like, what? What does that mean, bro? Like, I've ridden, I mean, I haven't tracked my bike ever before, but I had a Ninja 600 that I got to 130 miles an hour, I think, before I chickened out. I would take that through Palomar Mountain down in San Diego, or the other one by fucking Carlsbad. I forget what that one's called. This is a real fucking bike, you know, and I'll fight you. That's not up for debate. You say it's not a real bike, you're wrong. You're prejudiced, and it's showing. The Grom is so much fucking fun. You know, and can it do highway speed? Well, it depends on the highway. I wouldn't be able to do I-5, 65 miles an hour. Even though sometimes my speedo says I'm going 65. You have to remember I've got a smaller front caliper than stock, so what it's saying is usually about 3 miles an hour slower. But we still got a sequential gearbox, 5-speed manual, clutch, brake, rear brake. It's just a small sport tour. You know what I mean? That's all it is. It's a small sport touring bike. It's 125 cc, 124. It's 9.2 horsepower or something like that. Is it a lot? No, it's not. But I think half of it, at least in the United States market, is just that it's so small and so silly and ridiculous that, like, that's half the reason I got it. A buddy of mine rode one and I fucking loved it. You know, he's riding it around, it's all fucking cool and shit. I'm like, I want one of those. Then I forgot all about it. My wife takes the motorcycle safety course. She's like, I I practiced on a Grom. I'm like, oh yeah, how was it? She's like, it's the coolest thing ever. I'm like, all right, I'm getting one. So I went and I test rode one, and I was like, fuck yeah, give me that. I'll take the whole thing. And it's my favorite purchase of all time. It's silly. And it's practical. 300-pound weight limit-ish, sort of. So you can put saddlebags on it. You know, I go grocery shopping on it frequently. Not like a full-blown shopping trip, because you obviously can't fit, you know, a couple cases of water on the thing, but I'll throw my backpack on. You know, I get a 12-pack, a thing of milk, some lunch meat, or what, you know, all that, whatever. No problem. So, people who say that the Grom isn't a real bike, it is, and I think you're an asshole. And I think you need to kind of, you know, take a step back and just relax. You know, aren't all of us on two wheels supposed to be like looking out for each other? You can talk all the smack on the Grom that you want. It doesn't make you right. In the middle of the damn road, bro. I know you heard me coming. Your window's open. That's part of the like ridiculousness of the thing, is it's slow, but it's pretty loud for a single cylinder without being straight piped. Let's fucking go, baby. That's my we're having fun sound. I almost didn't look through that corner. I have crashed due to target fixation before. I was looking at a rock on the ground, and target fixation is a real thing. You go where your eyes go. So if you're not looking at the road, that's not where you're gonna go. You know, unless you are making a conscious effort. You know, it's not every time, right? But target fixation is a real thing. Oh yeah, I can tell it's getting colder. Maybe it's because we're going faster on the way out than we did on the way in, but I can just kind of feel it. It's getting colder and it's gonna rain. That rain's chasing us. I know it is. And you can't see it, but there's a bug right in front of my face. Hold on. It's still there. Fuck. Hold on, this is annoying me. Get out of my head. Fuck. There. Now he's probably like in my hair or something, but that's better than being right in front of my face. Scrub a little bit because my tires are starting to flatten again. I've been scrubbing a lot. Tell me in the comments, do you do this? Do you scrub ever? And why do you do it? Because I've heard some people scrub, oh, I scrub to warm my tires up. Yeah, well, unless you're racing, right, on the track, and you just put the tires on, you haven't done a warm-up lap, then yeah, sure. But on the street, you don't need to warm your tires up, bro. You're doing too much. eye scrub in order to balance out the tire's wear. Because most of us, especially on Grums, we're going pretty much straight. If you live in a city, you're not doing a lot of turns. You know, you're doing your little 90-degree turns from road to road. But you're not doing like turns, like corners, carve-in corners and shit. So I do it to, yeah, try to evenly wear out the tire. Otherwise, oh fuck, oh that was, oh, jeez, gee whiz, that was a tight one, bro. That was a sharp little bump. Maybe when we see the next one, we'll slow down. What do you think? Okay, there's that bridge. God, that really hurt my taint more than anything, bro. All right, hold on. Let's check the wheel out. Oh, let's see if we fucked it up at all. Yo, isn't that fucking pretty?